Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set an app battery usage to unrestricted, optimized or restricted on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From here you want to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, swipe up to go down, and in here we're going to tap on apps. In the app screen, we go down the list and select an app that you would like to change. So for example, I'm going to select Chrome here, or maybe if I can select a games app. Let me see if I can find something. You can also use the search function here to find app. I thought I have a games app in here, but I might have removed it already. So let's just select a Chrome app for now. And then we go down the list and tap on battery right here. In this list here, you can choose unrestricted, optimized, and restricted. By default, the phone set to optimize. It is a recommended option for most of the apps. Now, if you want the app to run as its best performance, then you might want to choose unrestricted. However, choosing these options will cause your battery life to deplete faster. So because that means the app will always try to use the most CPUs, and therefore the battery will goes down quicker. So with these three options, you can select one of the three options, and finally you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.